Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, yes, Friday, July the 2nd, 2021. We have two regular Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. In this daily newspaper, I have also sad news because we have yesterday also, no additional with extra Sudokus. Let me show you. This is the newspaper. And there is no extra Sudokus. So I have yesterday also no additional with extra Sudokus, and I've continued to solve the rest of the Sudokus in the newspaper of the day before, Wednesday. And what else I'll do is to solve the rest of the puzzles of not Wednesday but the day before, so Tuesday. Yes, I have here the page of Tuesday, June the 29th, and we have 3 puzzles left: the 1 star, the 2 stars, and a tectonic. So I will do those 3 Sudokus of Tuesday. Alright, and today it's the first week, the first Friday of the month, and we always do a speed test. So today it's a speed test, and I only do the speed test with the Light Sudoku. So let's get started. And this one, the Sudoku Light, will be number 3034, I believe. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Each big square has 4 printed digits. We have 9 big squares, so 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. I see a lot of 3s. So let me start with a 3. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. Oh, there are only 2 places for the 3. Yes, should be here or there. Let me see here. Also there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. So those 4 boxes could be a 3. I cannot fill this yet. I see a lot of 5s. 5 5s. No, 5 1s. So let me start with the 1. 1 in this row. 1 in the third row. So the row between. The second row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Oh, I made a mistake here. Wow. Double 3. 1 box. 3 3. No. 3 should be in one of those 3 boxes, 2 boxes. So now I can place a 3 here, 3 in this row, 3 there row. So okay, here also the 3, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, 1 1 1 1. Okay, 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 8. Let me see the 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8. Yeah. It's a speed test, so No instruction. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 should be here. 5, 5. 2, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. The 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be a 2. No, 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 no. Ah! Not concentrated. Today not concentrated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 should be here. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 and 2. Yes. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Okay, 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 okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. 5. About the 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. 8 and a 5. 5, 4, 6. Okay. 4 and the 8. 4 and then the 4 and the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and a 9. Yes, finish in 7 minutes. Wow. Wow. Could be faster. Made a mistake. 2 mistakes. And not concentrated. Yes. So because I cannot give instruction because it's a fast test. Speed test. So no instruction. The other Sudoku heavy, I will give instruction. So this was the Sudoku Light, 7 minutes. I'm well, not well pleased with the time, but I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you soon with the second Sudoku. A heavy Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.